If you're selling or giving away a car in South Carolina, transferring the title is a key step. Here's how to do it the right way. Start with the title certificate. The seller needs to fill it out completely and sign it, and the buyer has to sign too. If there's a bill of sale involved, like if you're selling the car, it's a good idea to have that filled out as well, even though it's not always required. Next, both parties need to complete an application for a new title. It's called Form 400. If the vehicle is leased, Section E needs to be filled out by the leasing company. Make sure the odometer reading is included too, because that's required for the paperwork to go through. The buyer also needs to have proof of South Carolina auto insurance and a recent vehicle property tax receipt. If someone is signing on another person's behalf, a power of attorney form is also needed. Once everything's filled out and ready, head to a local DMV office to turn it all in. You can walk in, but it's a lot quicker if you book an appointment ahead of time. Some places even offer concierge services that can wait in line for you. Finally, the buyer will need to pay any title transfer fees and taxes before the process is complete. And that's it.